Well, welcome back to an evening ride. Today, well tonight, I thought, sod it, I'm just going to go on a nice chill ride. The sunset's late and we are being accompanied tonight by Calimoto, taking us on a nice 96-mile ride northeast from where I am. In fact, northwest, apologies. Boys and girls, enjoy the ride, just enjoy it. There's going to be no topic, which is going to be a standard good old motor vlog. We're not going anywhere in particular. We're going out for a ride to clear the mind and go back to the grassroots of what motorcycling's all about. And what a place to start, eh? Yorkshire. Look at that. Got a nice flask in the top box. We're going to find somewhere lovely to have a brew, chill out and reset. Hey, look at this, it's like I'd not pass outside my house. You might notice that the GoPro doesn't seem to have any sort of crack in it. That's because I just ripped the glass out. Literally just ripped the glass out. Might be a little bit dangerous, no sort of protective film for it, but it is what it is. Make do with what you have. Big thank you to everybody who met at the Wild Bad Weekender, to all those that said hi, and to those new subscribers that are currently on the channel watching, who met me there or met me through Richie and Bruce's and Fisher's channel. Hello to you all. This is what we do here on JBL Motovlogs. This is it, this is what we do. We go out, we take the cameras with us, that is the grassroots of the channel, and we just ride. Anyway, now, today is Thursday night, and I currently have a tour. Well, actually, I keep talking about the tour, but I have the track day at Cadwell Park on Monday. So, Monday the 16th, the evening session. If it's like this, we're laughing. We're going down to Cadwell Park, take this baby on the track. Hopefully transform it from touring to track. So if you've seen the video where I did from track to touring, we'll be doing the reverse. So yeah, I haven't really spoke much about the tour. I've mentioned it here and there. So yeah, Isle of Skye, we're heading up to the Galloway. I think it's a six-day tour, 5 nights. Yep, Galloway, up to Loch Lomond, Isle of Skye, into the Cairngorms, Crieff and home. So yeah, that should be pretty good. Setting off Tuesday evening actually, not setting off a morning like we usually do. Reason being is we've got the track day on Monday night, so I think it'd be probably best off to, you know, get home, have the day Tuesday to look over the bike, check for any imperfections, clean the bike. You know, we're doing a track day, so the bike's getting some abuse there. Then we're taking it on what, a 1500 mile tour. So yeah, the bike's going to be under a lot of stress for the next week or so, so I need to make sure it's in tip-top condition, look over it, bolt check, all sorts of them little stuff. Brake clean, well, you may have seen that video, I'll leave that up here, how to clean your brakes. But yeah, Wild Bad Weekend as well, and let's have a chat about that. That was amazing, absolutely amazing. The amount of people I had speaking to me, to speak to Richie and the guys was awesome. Had a few cameos in Bruce's brew time, which is awesome for me. I mean, I used to listen to that, I still do, listen to that at work on the night shift. It got me through it, and to be honest, yeah, awesome stuff. The growth of the channel lately, guys, is exactly where I want it. Not too fast, you know, we're growing at a steady rate, nice engagement, I get to know my audience. A few opportunities are arising as well, which we'll speak about in the near future because they're not finalised. But well, I tell you what, I might start doing this a little more often. I mean, I'm in 10 minutes into this journey and it's awesome. So yeah, what we got, 93 mile remaining, should be back home at about 9, but obviously with a 15-20 minute break, just stopping somewhere 9:30 just as the sun goes down. It's just about right. I think this is exactly the route my sat-nav took me home from getting the MT-07. So. But yeah, this rear tyre, this Michelin Road 5, the front's fine, but I've somehow got to get it through a track day and the tour before I change it, because I think it's still got a little bit more life in it, and hopefully we can round it off. So behind, nobody in front. I think I've been on this road before. If I'm correct, it should be a curry house down here. And I think I got the drone up. Or something. It might not be the one I'm thinking of, but Whitecroft is where we are, the Whitecroft Indian restaurant. Google that and I'm pretty sure you can work out where I currently am. Tea actually, I've had the tea today. There's the familiarity of just UK roads, but I feel like I've been in before. See if this tea's still warm, So this camera's 4K, so there's the tyre. So got sod it, we'll be alright. We'll try and round it off a bit on track day. Right. Eek. Pardon my beautiful singing. Despite all the music I use in my videos, that's not what I listen to in my earphones, but soft piano and ambient music. Sometimes, you know, the good ones, I tell you what, the videos on the channel that are very sentimental to me, the music in them, I do have a couple of the songs downloaded because it brings back some nice memories. The track I used for the NC500 on the first ever clip going through Glencoe, love that. Every time that comes on, because I just play it on shuffle, always reminds me of that. There was actually a day in Scotland last year where we was on just a single track roads for a full day. It got a bit silly when the camper vans and stuff started joining, and it's kind of annoying, but we appear to have hit a road closure. Didn't see a diversion sign either, so cyclists dismount I'm a cyclist. I'm going to dismount and walk through it. No, I can't use that actually, it's a bit... So to go around it, I'm going to have to go back. We'll figure it out, we always do. Well then, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to leave the video here as it's getting a little bit dark and I'm not sure if you can see me or not on the cameras, so I'm going to leave it here. Thank you very much for watching. I know this one has been a bit of a... I don't know if you've enjoyed it, I have no idea, but I have. There's been a lot of talking in this one. It's a good old motor vlog, no drone footage or nothing. Just kind of been a little update and a little relaxing ride out. I mean, it currently is 8:45. It says I'll be home for 25 to 10, so another 45 minutes or so. I've got the dark visor and it probably looks like I can't see much, but I'm adjusting and it hasn't got a Pinlock in, so it's only a light smoke, so I should be okay. But thank you very much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to go around the rest of the channel, that'd be fantastic. Have a look at my other videos, get a feel for what we do here on JBL Motor Vlogs, and most importantly, if you got this far into it and you're not subscribed already, then you've stuck around for some reason, so wouldn't mind subscribing. We're nearly at 4,000 subscribers, that's a lot of people. But yeah, have a good day guys. If you are riding, ride safe. JBL Motor Vlogs, and I am out. Peace.